How to sign up for a DoorDash account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign up for a DoorDash account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is simply search for DoorDash and open its website up. You can directly go to DoorDash.com as well. After you do that, on the top right, you will see a sign up option. Tap on the sign up button. After you tap on sign up, you'll be on this page right here. Now what you'll need to do to sign up is you will need to type in your first name, your last name, and then your email address. After you do that, you'll need to choose your country. And after you choose your country, simply type in your mobile number. After you type in your mobile number, you will get a verification code. And after you get a verification code, you'll need to verify your identity. Before that, you'll also need to tap on the sign up option. After that, you will have created your DoorDash account, and it's that simple. Now, if you already do have an account, there is also a sign in button right here from which you can sign in into your DoorDash account. And yeah, that is basically how you create a DoorDash account, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.